Howdy, howdy, hey. How are you doing today? I'm the Moonfrog, and you're watching the Moonfrog Magazine YouTube channel.
I didn't remember the moon being that far away.
Thanks again for 50 subscribers. Now we're already past it. We're at like 53, 54, maybe more. But in this one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump right back into our 4-color screen printing press. So I was in here late last night and figured that trampoline springs should work. So I'm gonna find some more trampoline springs, and we're gonna take this little bit of rod. We're going to bend it in U shapes, and then we're gonna make a hoop here, and then a hoop up here, and then we're gonna do it 4 times around. And then after that, we should have a somewhat functional clamping system. So let's get to work. Well, we got sidetracked rebuilding an engine for a bit, but we have all our forearms hooked up and all sprung. For now, we just have a hose clamp holding it up there, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all this apart and we're gonna weld in these little hooks. Alright, well thanks for watching. That's going to be it for this video. We finally got the spring system completed. And in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to design a system to index every single screen. So if you want to see that and the rest of the progress on this machine, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Till next time, go out, be rad.